In this brief tutorial we'll show you how to create a helix. First we create a simple helix that will elevate the track level by 15 inches. As you can see we start with tracks at level 0. We now create a helix at the rightmost track by choosing Create Track Helix from the menu. In the Create Track Helix dialog we set the overall height of the new helix to 15 inches. We then choose 4 loops to get a modest grade within the helix, and select a curved track with a medium radius. The default helix shape will place the entry and exit at the same point, which is fine for now. The grade profile provides immediate feedback of the overall height structure for our new helix and the layout as a whole. Next we'll add a second, smaller helix. For this helix we choose the exit point to be created opposite the entry point. The overall height is set to 8 inches with 2 loops. We also choose a slightly larger curved track radius before creating the helix. Finally we create a descending helix all the way back to the base level. Please note that tracks can't be placed lower than level 0. The direction of the helix is set to descending, and the overall helix height to 23 inches with 5 loops. Thank you.